Hi everybody, my name is Yvonne and welcome to the unpacking of Jolly English, a wonderful preschool program that is for children approximately from the ages of 2.5 years upwards. The program, Jolly English, covers 2 levels and each level provides 44 lessons. Each lesson is approximately 45 minutes long and across both levels you get 66 hours of teaching, and that's just wonderful. Let's have a look at what you get in the kit. Now the whole program has 2 practice books, 2 pupils books and also 2 teachers books. And I'm first going to have a look at the teachers books for you. So we'll have a look at level 1, and the first thing that you'll notice within level 1 is how clear and colour coded it is to follow the units. And these colours also connect to the flashcards that I'll show you later. It's easy to navigate what sounds the children have done in each unit and their progression, along with the transition songs and also the recyclable language. So it's a great package and it has everything for you. Let's have a look at the planning for the teachers. If you have a look at the at-a-glance planning that you have in your teacher's book, you will see that it's very easy to use. It gives you an idea of what you can do before the lesson, during the lesson, and there are optional activities that you can do after. It's very complete and you can use it just to do the Jolly Phonics sounds, or you may want to do other parts of the curriculum more in depth, such as global things, social emotional learning and also numeracy. At the back of books you will see that you have the colour coding which is continued, and this also helps you pick the right flashcards for each unit. So it's a wonderful way for you to have all your lesson planned when you have a really busy day, and that's very helpful. So let's have a look at the pupils book in Jolly English. And I'm going to show you one page which is a lovely example of bright, vibrant photographs that reflect the theme, but also it continues the theme that we're using in the flashcards of using real life images so that children can make the connection with what's happening in the wider world. Also, let's have a look at the practice book. And as I mentioned earlier, we have the opportunity for children to learn so much more. And in here, I'm going to focus on numeracy, which is really important as well. And here you can see we go up to number 10. And what a great example for number 10, being able to use our fingers. So it's a very easy activity and one that is replicated in the book. Jolly English has flashcards, as I mentioned, that are colour coordinated, but we understand that it's very important for children to have concepts like understanding number symbols and number quantity. Otherwise they won't be able to identify how many sounds that are in the words that we are teaching as we move along. Also, we have standard concepts such as children learning about colours, and also ones that are integrated within the unit, such as animals. And as you can see, we have the colour coding here, bright, lovely images that children can see. At the back of the flashcards, which come in 2 packs, we also have the story cards. So the children are able to reuse the story, recycle language, and also sequence the story. So there's lots of options to use with the flashcards. One of my most favourite things within this whole programme and in the pack is the beanbag. A little beanbag like this, we can create a multitude of games, getting the children involved in using the knowledge that they have with the phonic sounds and also vocabulary. And it's something we'll explore in another video a bit later on. Thank you for joining us today for the unpacking of Jolly English, a wonderful resource that can be used with early years children. It can be used as a standalone resource just to do Jolly Phonics sounds, or you can use it as a complete program. As you've seen in the unpacking today, it can be used in many ways. We hope you enjoy it.